Hello everyone, I've got a bit of a different video for you today, but it's one that I think at least some of you will be excited to see. We've just moved into a new apartment, and so what I want to do is give you an empty apartment tour and show you the space before we fill it up with all of our stuff. As I'm sure many of you know, I work from home, and so this was one of our main reasons for moving into a new apartment. We're now in a 2-bedroom place compared to the 1-bedroom place we were in before. I basically ended up spending all of my time in the living room. That's where my desk was. That's where we cooked and ate. That's where the sofa was to hang out on. So this is gonna be nice to have a bit more space. Let me show you around. So when you come in our entryway, we have a utility cupboard on the left here, which is where our washing machine is, and we've just been measuring for some shelves to go in this space. And you have to excuse all the random cleaning products hanging out on the floor. We're gonna get a shoe bench to go here, we've decided, because the hallway is wide enough. And here is the first bathroom, because how cool that we have 2 bathrooms now. That's a super big luxury for London. Anyway, it is a pretty standard bathroom. We have a bath, we have a shower, we have a toilet and a sink, and there's lots of storage as well, which is great. So as you exit the bathroom, kind of straight in front of you as you come in the entryway is our big living space. To the left here is our kitchen, and it all seems pretty nice. Nice modern appliances, lots of cupboards with storage space, and all of the cupboards are the ones where you go boop, and then they open like that. Some of them are very tall though, I can't quite reach that top shelf, so might have to put stuff up there that only Mark needs to access. Something I'm really excited about is right now in our current apartment, our fridge is probably the size of this cupboard here, and now we have a nice full fridge with a separate freezer. So yes, small wins there. It's just got ceramic hobs and for some reason mirrors as the backsplash. I don't know why I need to see myself when I cook, but okay. Here is our living room space, hardwood floors. We've just been trying to work out where to put the TV, if it should be this wall or this wall. I don't know, I think we're gonna get the stuff in here and see what we think. But off the living room is a balcony, which I'm really excited about. I'm not gonna pan up too much because I don't wanna show you exactly where I live, but yeah, we're gonna get a table and chairs out here, and it should be really nice. Okay, so this is the 2nd bedroom, and this is gonna be my office. It's pretty small. Would be very tiny as a bedroom, not gonna lie, but we've just been marking out where my desk will go. It's gonna come up to the corner of this box here and go back. And over here we think we can fit one of those IKEA day beds that's a single bed that pulls out to a double. When it pulls out, things are gonna be tight, but yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. There is a wardrobe in here as well with hanging space, which is probably where I'll be keeping my clothes because there's not actually hanging space in our master bedroom. So imagine this here is where I'm going to be working from now on, in its own little room. Very excited about that. All of the rooms have central heating as well, which is nice. We haven't quite figured out how to use that yet, but it's also summer, so we don't need to. Anyway, here is the master bedroom with the ensuite. Turn on that light. So we've got a shower in here, and we were both really excited about it being a rain shower. Again, a fairly standard bathroom, but I like that all of the fittings seem very modern, and again, there is a lot of mirrors. I'm not sure why I need to be able to see my feet down here, but okay. In the master bedroom, the closet is actually this big cupboard here that has shelves in it. I'm not sure why they didn't put hanging space. I don't know. Bit baffled by that, but we are going to get some drawers to go at the back here against this back wall, which will be good because it'll mean we have less furniture cluttering up our actual bedroom. You can see here the shape of the bed of the previous tenants. So yeah, this will be our main bedroom. It's the afternoon right now, so there's some nice light coming in, and yeah, there's central air as well, which is really cool. So that, my friends, is my new apartment where I'm going to be living for the next 2 years. We've signed a 2-year lease. I'm really excited to get all of our stuff moved in. That's going to be happening next Friday, so about a week from when you're watching this video. And then this will finally be home. So stay tuned for a new workspace popping up in the vlog soon, I guess. And I think I'll do a proper workspace tour when I have you know, all of my stuff in there and set up how I want. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this empty apartment tour. I know I always like watching these, so I just thought I would take up the opportunity to make my own because I don't move house all that often. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I'll probably be posting some more about the move itself on my Instagram stories, so if you want to go follow me over there, and I will keep you updated on the progress. Alright, thanks for watching everyone, hope you have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video, which I promise will be much more design related. Alright, bye.